Hello everyone, welcome back to All-in-One Academy Educator. In today's class, we're going to learn about light concept. So in previous class already you would have learned about light part 1 where I explained you about the basics concepts, that is refraction, reflection, loss, those all you would have learned. In today's class, we're going to learn about a spherical mirror. What exactly the spherical mirror and what are the types of mirror we're going to learn in that, and how exactly the definition goes with it, and slow by slow we'll be learning like ray diagrams and the numericals. But today we're going to learn only the terminologies and what exactly the spherical mirror is all about. You already know the plane mirror which we have in our house, and we'll be using all set of things like for doing makeups, or in shaving mirror, or in vehicle headlights, or in vehicle rear view mirrors. This all comes under normally the concepts which we have seen it already, right? So in that, which is plane mirror, which is concave mirror, which is convex mirror, in today's class you will get an idea. So let us enter into the concept. First thing is spherical mirror. What exactly the meaning of spherical mirror is? It is a mirror whose reflecting surface is a part of an hollow sphere of a glass. You take any hollow sphere of a glass, if it is curved inwards or a curved outwards, that is not a required thing. Any hollow spherical part, that is considered to be the spherical mirror. It is a mirror whose reflecting surface is a part of an hollow sphere. Any sphere we use in our kitchen rooms, many of the utensils are made up of glass. Some will be curved inwards, some will be curved outwards, but that is all considered to be a spherical mirror. Sometimes even we can see our reflection in that also. Even in our the plate what we eat, the stainless steel, we can see our reflection. It is curved inwards or outwards, that I will tell you later. But that all are considered to be the spherical mirror. Okay. In that we have two types. One is concave mirror, one more is convex mirror. This is very important. Most of you will get a doubt which I should consider as concave mirror and which one I should consider as the convex mirror. Concave mirror means it is curved inwards. Inwards it will be curved. Okay. Convex mirror means that will be diverged mirror, or it is curved outwards. I repeat again. Concave mirror means curved inwards, it is converging mirror. Convex mirror means diverging mirror or curved outward. Now let us take one example. So I have taken a cup. You can see this cup, right? You can see everything, the outer part here, it is curved inwards. Can you see here? Can you see the example? Curved inwards. So curved inwards means what type of mirror is that? Concave mirror. But I have taken an example of this. I am showing you what is the meaning of curved inwards and curved outwards. Everything has curved inwards. If this same cup, if I cut it and if I fold it outwards, that is considered as convex mirror. You got it? If something, if I close it everything and bend it and come, I will frame it inwards, means it will be concave. If I break it everything and curved outwards, means it is convex. So that is also called as converging mirror or diverging mirror. Converging means all the points will come and meet at one point. Diverging means all will go out. Now if you take an sun ray from single point, all the rays are coming and it is diverging. Take a torchlight when you on, what will happen? It will diverges. I'm explaining you everything, right? Because of the light you can see the tube light. Tube light is converged or diverged? It is a diverged. That is why it is getting spreaded everywhere in the room. Diverging means it will get spreaded out, and converging and diverging, you got a concept. Okay? Understood everyone? What is the meaning of converging and diverging? Converging means all the points will be meeting at one single. Diverging means everything will be getting reflected out. So this is the meaning of concave mirror and convex mirror. In exam, instead of concave, if they give converging, you should know it is a concave only. Instead of that, if they give curved inwards, that is also concave. If they give diverging or curved outwards, it is a convex mirror. I am not talking about anything about lens. I am talking only about a mirror concept. Remember this. There is a different concept called lens that I will be uploading in the next video. Now let us learn the terminologies in it. So important terms. So first I have drawn a concave mirror. Their endpoints are given as M and N. I have drawn one imaginary line passing through that center. I have represented with C. From the center here I have represented with the P, and distance that I have represented with the R. Then between that I have represented with F. Now this all terminologies is very important for your exam point of view. So you can see the terminology pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, principal axis, focus, focal length, aperture, concave mirror, convex mirror. These are all terminologies you should know, and whenever I am explaining, if you are having a notebook or whatever the things in front of you, you can start writing the terminologies. It will be in an easier form. Now first, pole. So what is the meaning of pole? If you see this diagram, you can see this reflecting part, this point, right? So let us take this glass cup. The outer part, can you see the outer part? This outer part. In this, the midpoint of this reflecting surface is the pole. Midpoint, the outer part of the reflecting surface. What is pole? Midpoint of the reflecting surface. This one. In the glass also I showed you the outer part, the midpoint, exactly the center. Midpoint of the reflecting surface is called as pole, denoted by P. Okay. Next, I have a sphere. In that sphere, the center is called as center of curvature. Then what is center of curvature? Let us take this cup. In this cup, can you see the center? This center. This is only called as center of curvature. Now what is the meaning of that? The center of the sphere. This is a sphere, right? Center of the sphere is called as center of the curvature. But center of the reflecting surface is called as pole. Center of the reflecting surface is pole. Center of the sphere is called as center of curvature. You can make a note of it. Okay. Next, we have an imaginary line which is passing through C and P. Can you check that? An imaginary line passing through C, center of curvature, and a pole is called as principal axis. What is principal axis? An imaginary line passing through C and P. Got my point? Next, we're gonna learn about radius of curvature. You already know that from the center to any point on the circle. Let us take this. Can you see this cup? This is the center. Can you see the center? From center to any point on the circle is considered to be what? Normally in an example, you can take any example in mathematics also. What is it considered as? Radius of curvature. The same thing here also. From the center till where? From here to pole. Here we are not considering circumference or whatever. This is a physics, light. From C to P, the distance between center of curvature and a pole is called as radius of curvature. The distance between C to P, that is from the center of the curvature to the pole, is called as radius of curvature. Got my point? What is the meaning of radius of curvature? We got to know the pole, we got to know the center of curvature, we got to know radius of curvature, we got to know the principal axis. Next is focus. What is the meaning of focus? Many of the cameramen, they will say, hey, it has to be focused. It is not properly visible, the images and all, they will tell. Am I right? Why they will tell like that is, all the light rays has to be meeting at one point, converging. If one or two rays has got diverged, the image will be not clear. Am I right? Once you will also, if you are going for a trip or any tourist places, when you take a camera, if you want to click a pic, first you will keep the focusing to that image. Then only you can take a pic. However you want, you cannot take a pic, right? That is only called as focus. But when it comes to physics terminology, how you need to write in the exam? All the reflecting rays meeting at a single point is called as focus. What is focus? All the reflecting rays meeting at a single point. Like this, many rays will come. These all rays has to meet at one point. That is called as focus. Got my point? If it is one or two also diverged, the image will be not clear. Again, you have to take the pic of it. Okay. So you got to know about focus now. Next, we are going to learn about focal length. You can see here F. F is considered as focal length. So what is the focal length? Focal length, easy way you can write the distance from ear to ear, or you can write the center, or another way we can write R. 2R is equals to F. R is equals to F by 2. By this, what I can conclude? Half of the radius is nothing but the focal length. That is the exactly half value. If I give radius of curvature as 10 centimeter, what will be the focal length? 5 centimeter. Am I right? So R is nothing but, so here, sorry, you need to write here F. F is equals to R by 2. So So whenever we take radius as 10 centimeter, we can write focal length as 5 centimeter. Got my point? R is equals to, so you can write here F. F is nothing but R by 2 we can write, and we can substitute here. Now example I have said no, I have given radius R equals 10 centimeter. What is the focal length means? 10 by 2, we can write it as 5 centimeter. Next we are going to learn about aperture. What is the meaning of aperture? Aperture is the diameter of the reflecting surface. What is the meaning of aperture? It is the diameter of the reflecting surface denoted by M and N. Next is the concave mirror, convex mirror. I already said concave mirror means it will be converging mirror, it is curved inwards. And convex mirror means it is curved outwards or diverging mirror. These all terminologies, if you are thorough with it, and if you have watched my part 1 video of the basics of reflection and refraction, and if you are thorough with it, you can learn the ray diagram and numerical in my upcoming videos. Once you are thorough with it from grade 6 till grade 12, you will be learning the light concept from the basics till the end. So this chapter is not restricted to a single part. So it is a lot of syllabus we need to cover in the light. So you can watch all my shorts videos, which will be like 8 to 10 minutes, and keep on updating any corrections or anything you want me to put off related to the topics. It can be ray diagrams or a numericals, whatever the doubts, you can comment in the below section. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Most of you are watching my video but not subscribing it. Keep on supporting and subscribe. It will be very interesting for us to put more and more videos. Thank you.